all your defenses. My guest list is priceless, and yes, I run a tight ship. Bentleys and Benzes through cash-colored lenses, then dollars and senses. Cha-ching, it's expensive to be made. Looking this good, don't come for free. A bitch, what? That's just who I be. It's expensive to be me.
We got 8 games. Now we need a re-trigger because I think this game is all about the re-triggers. So come on, show me some wilds with bonus symbols. Come on, land that middle wild. Come on. Oh, you missed like everything. Where's my bonus? All right, okay, that's good. Beauty. You know I'm beautiful. Okay. Nice. I would like a bonus symbol on my last spin. Nope. Alright, it's still a decent bonus on a $5 bet. Now, do those wilds stay? Oh, I still have the bonus symbol. I could get another bonus. Last shot for it. Nope. We'll finish these wilds out. Oh, there's something. 22 bucks. There's the bonus again. Come on, bonus. Damn it. Last chance. This is Dragonlanterns. This game is fun though. I'm gonna keep playing it. Damn it. Oh no. Yes! That's a good one. Alright, come on. Stay with these big numbers. Come on, blue, green, big numbers. No, I said big. You're not listening. All right, 50 bucks. Come on. All right, that'll be. All right, that's good. Turn. That. Better. Okay. Come on, one more. Thank you. Blue and green. Something with words. Blue and green. No, they're all 250. Oh my god, that's too many 250s. Come on. Boop. Last one. Oh boy. Sounds. It's not 100%. $20 again. There we go. Hold and spin. Alright, come on, big numbers. No, I said big numbers. Big, big, big. Yeah, $100. Come on, keep going. Blue or green, blue or green. Boop. Boop. Last one. Alright, it's okay. I don't know about that sound for this win, but okay. We ready? Here we go. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, they're all small. Boop, boop. Oh, God. Thank you. My phone's gonna die, and I have to go to the room and get the charger. That was terrible. Hi, everybody. Good job. Not really. This is not good. Come on. There we go. You dirty bitch. You know what the problem is? People see you holding a camera and then they think like you have something going on and then they cause a crowd and it becomes a problem. Like, just mind your business. Mind your business. Oh. Multipliers. Oh. Come on, more fire! That does nothing. Alright, well. Come on, there we go. Alright, you better do something, Buttercup. Show me the power of your 2 times multipliers. No. What are you doing? Stop that. Really? Tens? Oh my God. Oh my. 2 more, you fucking bitch. Sorry, sir.